So we've worked the knit two together, and let's jump into slip slip knits, which make a left leaning decrease. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can work a slip slip knit. You get to decide which you like best. The only thing I suggest is that you be consistent about which way you work your slip slip knits. So the most traditional way, the typical way people work, is they slip the first stitch knitwise, they slip the second stitch knitwise, and then they work those two stitches together. Do you see that? I've made a left leaning decrease. The way that I work my slip slip knit is I slip the first stitch knitwise and the second stitch purlwise, and then work those two stitches together, and I get a left leaning decrease that's just a little bit flatter than the previous one. The goal with the left leaning decrease is to have it match the knit two together the best, and I find that that second way matches, like mirrors the way that the knit two together lies. But just choose which one you like better and stick with that throughout your work. I'll be showing how to fix the slip slip knit with that first way because I feel like that's the way that most people work a slip slip knit, but I'll point out to you once or twice how you would fix it if you were working it the other way.